Pakistan is a country located in South Asia, bordered by India to the east, Afghanistan and Iran to the west, and China to the north. It has a coastline along the Arabian Sea to the south. The country has a rich history and diverse culture, with influences from various civilizations including the Indus Valley, Persian, Greek, and Mughal empires. The capital city is Islamabad, while Karachi is the largest city and economic hub. Lahore, known for its vibrant culture and historical significance, is another major city. Pakistan is home to a variety of landscapes, from the towering peaks of the Himalayas in the north to the vast deserts in the south. The official language is Urdu, but English is widely used in government and business. The population is predominantly Muslim, with a variety of ethnic groups including Punjabis, Sindhis, Pashtun, and Baloch. Pakistan gained independence from British rule in 1947, leading to the creation of a separate nation for Muslims of the Indian subcontinent. Since then, it has faced numerous challenges, including political instability, economic issues, and security concerns. Despite these challenges, Pakistan has made significant strides in various sectors, including education, technology, and healthcare. The country is also known for its hospitality and the warmth of its people. Tourism is an emerging sector, with attractions ranging from historical sites like Mohenjo-daro and the Badshahi Mosque to natural wonders such as the Indus Valley and the Karakoram Highway, which is one of the highest paved roads in the world. In conclusion, Pakistan is a nation with a complex identity, rich heritage, and a promising future, striving to overcome its challenges while celebrating its unique culture and traditions.